Hello dear, this is Risu Singh and you are watching Math Magic. So in the NCERT series, today we are going to solve exercise 1.3 question number 1 to prove irrational number. And the question is that prove that the root 5 is irrational number. So proving that we have to assume just opposite, contrary, that root 5 is rational number. When we suppose root 5 is rational number, then we can write in the form of a rational number, that is p by q. We can write this is p by q because we suppose this is rational number. After that, it means the p and q is an integer. Both are integer where q is not equal to 0 and also it is a co-prime number. What mean by the co-prime number? A number that have only the common factor 1. Now see, after we solving this, 5q equals to q and square the both side. Now we square both side. Then here is 5, root and square is cancelled, so 5q square and p square. We assume this is the equation number 1. See, according to the fundamental theory, according to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is theorem number 1.3 is telling that if p square is divisible by 5, p square is divisible by 5, then p is also divisible by 5. In the fundamental theorem, that is telling if any integer, square of any integer divisible by some number, then this number also without square can be divisible by the same integer. Let's go ahead. Again we assume what? P equals to 5c. P equals to 5c where c is any integer. Now we're putting the value this 5c in the here in the place of p. Then what we get? Then 5q square and 5c whole square. Then 5 and here we get 25. Let cancel out 5 times 5 times. Now the q square equals to 5c square. Again we getting the same thing. Here is p square is divisible by 5. Here is q square is divisible by 5. So q square is divisible by 5. Again according to the fundamental theorem of arithmetic, that is 1.3. I already explained this theorem. You can check in the playlist or I button. Now see what? Q square is divisible by 5. Then q is also divisible by 5 according to the fundamental theorem. This implies that p and q have a common factor 5. See, here I am telling this is common factor 5 and here we telling the co-prime. So this is the contradiction and this is a wrong assumption. This is a wrong assumption or contradiction. That's why hence root under 5 is irrational number and it is proved. I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, you can subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the next update. You also request to hit the like button for this video, and still you have any issue or any query, you can ask in the comment box, and in the description box there is already WhatsApp number is given. You can ask directly via WhatsApp. Thank you.